Good morning, students. Now we are going to study determiners. What are determiners? Students, determiners are the words that determine the meaning of nouns. I repeat, determiners are the words that are used before nouns to determine their meaning. Determiners are the words that are used before nouns to decide their meaning. Till now, we have studied different grammar topics. Up to 8th standard, we have studied different grammar topics. Those grammar topics, they are part of determiners only, but now we are going to learn them separately. Determiners include articles, demonstratives, possessive and indefinite adjectives. Determiners include articles, demonstratives, possessive and indefinite adjectives. And students, all these we have already studied. Articles we have studied, demonstratives we have studied, possessive we have studied, and indefinite adjectives that also we have studied. If you do not remember, see, I have mentioned each one of them. Articles, a, an and the. A and an, they are indefinite articles, whereas the, it is definite articles. And the use of these three articles that we studied in standard 5th and standard 6th and even in 7th standard. So these already we have studied. Second, demonstratives. The use of these, that, these and those, that also we studied. Demonstratives, these, that, these and those. The use of these four demonstratives we studied, and we have been using them in different sentences. Next comes possessives. Possessives also we studied. My, mine, your, yours, our, ours, his, her, hers, its, their and theirs. These are possessives which show possession, belonging. That also we study, the use of all these words. And the last, that is indefinite adjectives. They include some, any, many, much, little, less, few, most, all, several, either, neither, each, every and both. These are indefinite adjectives. Students, if you look all these articles, demonstratives, possessives and indefinite adjectives, they are used before nouns. Except these possessive pronouns, they are not used before nouns. Here, now we are going to study each one of them. Already we studied, so we recapitulate all of them. Articles, use of a, an and the. Demonstratives, these, that, these and those. Possessives, my, mine, your, yours, our, ours, his, her, hers, its, their, theirs. And indefinite adjectives. So I hope you have understood the meaning of determiners. Determiners are the words that are used before nouns to determine their meaning. The words that determine the meanings of nouns are called determiners. And if you observe all these, then they determine the meaning of nouns in the sentences. Thank you, students.